Hello, my name is Dennis Boyle. As we look further into our field work assignment, the evidence-based practice that I would like to focus on is social skills training. This is an area I feel that I can develop professionally further and could positively impact my students' communication and language skills. I am planning on doing further research myself and collaborating with other professionals on campus, such as the speech pathologist, psychologist, and academic coach, to help guide me on how to effectively teach social skills and maintain consistency on how it is taught in the different settings that the students do receive services through. I plan to incorporate social skills into my daily routines for at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. Prior to starting, I want to get a baseline on how many minutes my student does socialize and interact with peers during a 15-minute recess period. And as I begin teaching social skills, I would use the same tracking method and assess how many minutes he interacts or socializes with peers. If the minutes if the minutes of interaction is increased, then we can assume that with the proper data and the social skills training being taught in the class um, could continue outside in a non-structured environment.